Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn on conversation tones notifications on WhatsApp so you never miss those little chat sounds that let you know your messages are being sent and received in real time. Whether you've turned them off before or your phone settings recently changed, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the most updated version so the settings look the same as what you see here. Once inside WhatsApp, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots, that's the menu icon. Tap on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open up a variety of options that control how your WhatsApp works, from privacy to notifications. For this tutorial, tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize all your alert sounds, message tones, and other notification preferences now. Inside the Notifications menu, look for an option called Conversation Tones. This specific setting controls the sound you hear whenever you send or receive a message during an active chat. If the toggle switch next to it is turned off, you won't hear those classic WhatsApp tones during conversations. Simply tap the toggle to turn conversation tones on. Once activated, you'll start hearing a brief tone each time you send or receive a message in a chat window. It's a small but helpful sound that adds a bit of life to your conversations and helps you know your messages are going through, especially when your phone is right next to you, and that's all you need to do. You've successfully turned on conversation tones in WhatsApp. If you ever prefer silent chats again, you can return to the same notifications menu and toggle it off at any time. Try it out right now and you'll notice the tone immediately. Thanks for watching.